For those asking me how to set up a two-factor verification on Delta app, I've dedicated this video to show you how to go about the process. So if you are new in this channel, kindly ensure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected, and also do your best to join the WhatsApp group to stay updated on whenever the listing of this project is gonna be holding come 2026. So most of the links that I've created, I'll be dropping them in the video description. They'll be very helpful for you in your journey. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to set up a two-factor verification here on Delta app, you have to click on this Start Two-Factor Authenticator right here. You have to click on that. Then you click on security code right here. You insert a 12 key security code that you want to be using. All right. Insert any number you want to be using. So you click on next after that. Then you click on DSMS verification. Then you click on get. Then you click on any number. Select any number right here. Okay. Select any number right here. So I just want to select one of these that ends with 323, and then I'll click on next step right here. Okay, they said 2 should be selected, so I'll just go back, click on next. I'll select two numbers from here. Okay, then after highlighting those 2 numbers, you click on next step. Then you copy this right here. You click on it to your, and now they say they've sent a verification code string. All right. So you click on next step. When you click on next step, they say a 2-step verification code has been sent to that number. All right. So 2-step verification code has been sent to that number, and I guess is on SMS that it was sent. So we have to go back to our SMS and go and check it. Or whenever you go back to your SMS and you don't see anything, just head over to WhatsApp and it should show up in any of those channels. Okay, so here it hasn't shown up yet, so I'll just go over to my WhatsApp and check and see if any code has been sent to me. Okay, a code hasn't been sent yet. Let me go back to the app again. Okay, they said I should send. They said I should send a verification code to these numbers. All right. After copying this code here, you come over to this number and send a verification code to them on Telegram. But you can select WhatsApp. So when you select WhatsApp, it's going to. When I selected that WhatsApp, it didn't show up. So I'll just select this Telegram right here. And then when you select that Telegram icon, you can head over to, let's use WhatsApp. Click on that WhatsApp. And they say the number is not on WhatsApp. So let's click on SMS. Then you post that code, you send it. I've just pasted that code. It said not sent, so you have to ensure that the code sends to the person. Then let's go back and see if it has sent. It hasn't been sent yet, but when that code sends, this is gonna load up right here. This is gonna load up right here, and you continue with the process. Okay. You say validation failed. So whenever it does that, what you have to do is to start the process again. Okay, is to start the process again. So I've clicked on my password. I'll click on next. I'll select a number that is on WhatsApp. This time I need a number that is on WhatsApp. So I'll click on select two numbers. After selecting two numbers, or if you don't want to use these numbers, you can come here. You can come right here and select global universal. Here in global universal, you can see that these numbers are on WhatsApp. So I'll just highlight those two numbers that are on WhatsApp and click on next step. Then when you click on next step, now you now come here and highlight this and also click on this. Alright, and then you click on this button over here. But before you click on this button over here, ensure you copy this. Alright, copy this, and then you click on here. After copying that, it's going to load up WhatsApp immediately. That code now that you copied, you click on send. Alright, you click on send, and that code you copied is going to be sent automatically. Alright, after sending this code automatically, now you now copy it again. Copy it. Go back to the app. Click on I have sent verification string. Click on I have sent verification string. Then you click on it. You waiting for the platform to verify that you sent it, and it will show successfully. Okay. Then after showing successfully, now you successfully added you've successfully added that person as a backup to your mining. Okay, then you click on next and continue with the mining process. So whenever this is more like a Pi project, so whenever I want to mine, just head over here and mine. And this mining here happens every 24 hours. So every 24 hours you come over here and click on the mining. Okay, ensure you stay glued to the channel. Ensure you subscribe to the channel and stay glued, so that whenever I drop a video, you will always get them on time. Do not forget to turn on your notification button and join the WhatsApp group, so that you will always be updated and whenever I drop videos concerning this project and whenever the listing is going to be taking place in the future. Okay, see you in the next video.